So, what's a recovery phrase? Because the private key can be hard to remember, Lace gives you 24 words that can be used to set up or recover your wallet from another platform. Sometimes called a mnemonic, seed phrase, or recovery phrase. It works a bit like a PIN code. If you save it on your computer, make sure only you can access it, and never share it with anyone. And yes, that includes friends, family, and people you really like. It's best to write it down and keep it somewhere secure offline, because if you lose your recovery phrase, there's no way to access your wallet or your digital assets. They'd be lost forever and ever and ever, because no one but you know what it is. You get the idea. So make sure you keep your recovery phrase safe and secure offline, just in case you ever need it. Check out the FAQs at lace.io to find out more.